How to change currency on Alibaba. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can switch the displayed currency in the Alibaba application on your iPhone or Android to better suit your location or preferences. So let's get started. In this tutorial, I'm using an iOS device. However, if you're having Android, you can follow similar steps because the application is same on both of the devices. So first of all, you're gonna head over and open the Alibaba application, and then you're gonna click on My Alibaba over here at the bottom right. And once you do so, you'll be able to see a couple of options. So what you got to do is simply click on this hexagon type of shape over here at the top right. And once you do so, you will be redirected to settings. Here, you got to click on currency. And now right now you can see that the currency is in USD. So you can just search among the various currencies over here and select the one that suits you. For example, I've selected AED, and now when I go back to the application, I'll be able to see all of the items displayed in AED currency. So that was how to change currency on Alibaba. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.